Guess who's back? Back again. Ashleigh's back. Tell your friends. Don't know what that was, but hi guys, I'm back. Okay guys, so it has definitely been a while. I do apologise, and this is what I'm going to have to start with. I'm going to have to start with the biggest sorry. I've disappeared for, what was it, the end of June now? And it's November now. I do apologise. That's the first thing. I'm sorry for just kind of going AWOL. It wasn't intended. I've got a lot to catch you up on. Got a lot to tell you. Yes, so let's just get into it. Yeah, I'm really sorry. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll kind of know what was kind of going on and why I had to stop filming. And as you can see, there's big changes about. The background's different. So I will get on and tell you, but like I say, if you follow me on Instagram, it's always worth following me on there because I do try to keep you up to date with me, and if I can't post and just things that are going on, I try to keep you up to date on there. So firstly, follow me on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know some of the stuff that was going on. Basically, we had to leave our home at the end of June. It was, sorry, July. It was supposed to be for 5 days. So 5 days, I thought, I don't really need to pre-film anything. Don't need to tell anybody I'm going because it's only 5 days. What needed to happen is we had a couple of floorboards in our house, in the hallway, that needed to be replaced because they felt like they were sinking, they were coming loose. They weren't good. And this 5-day work that needed to be done on our house turned into several months worth of work that needed doing on our house. In the process of them changing the floorboards, they discovered that we had quite significant dry rot and woodworm in there, and then whilst they were dealing with that, they discovered we had quite a lot of damp in our house, pretty much throughout the entire house, which needed to be dealt with, which meant pretty much our entire house was ripped apart. The floors were gone, the walls were ripped up like I was gonna say 6 foot, maybe 4 foot up the walls in almost every room of our house. So like you can see, the background is different because I've had to redecorate. I couldn't get my last wrapping paper that I was wallpaper that I was absolutely in love with. You remember it, that beautiful silver sequins in the back. I couldn't get it. And I was looking to keep the theme very similar, looking for a very nice silvery, grey toned, pretty sparkly kind of look, because it meant I could keep the blue furniture, could keep bits and bobs, and I just couldn't find any that I liked. And while shopping, I came across something a little bit different to the blue. Sorry, the silver, pale, sparkly look that I had before. And it is what's on the wall behind me, this beautiful thing. And I decided to go for a completely different theme altogether. It meant I could keep the bedside tables. They kind of went in, but I was going for like a tropical vibes, nice jewel toned colours, something a bit brighter. Yeah, so basically we've been redecorating, we've got new carpets and things. We owe a lot of money because yeah, it's been an expensive process. It's been a stressful process. I am not gonna lie, we had to move out of our house. Thankfully Chris's parents had room, so we were very fortunate in that end, and they had a big garden for the dogs and things, so that was great. But yeah, as lucky as we were to have all that, and we were lucky to have the workmen to do the room, it's never the same as being in your own house. And we came back to visit and stuff, and we had to obviously come back to move everything out. I'll be honest, pretty much every time I came back I had a little cry, because every time I came back I was expecting things to look better, and every time I came back they'd done something else and it just looked worse. It looked less like my house. I remember stepping foot in here and just seeing the wallpaper ripped most of the way up the wall, and obviously the carpet had gone. It wasn't my house. It was, Chris told me I was a proper Wally and it was all getting sorted and that was great, but it's just something that, you know, you'd put your stamp on. We'd the room was decorated for us. It was my house, you know, and that wallpaper I'd picked, the different bits and bobs, it was stressful. Thankfully, like I say, we did have somewhere to live, which took everything away. We did have workmen available to help us. But yes, something that was 5 days worth of work turned into several months, and it was just frustrating. It was just, yeah, I mean, we had to come back and move everything out of the bedroom so they could sort the bedroom and stuff, and then we were told we could move back in probably like a week or two later. So I packed up some things, and then other stuff got put like in the storage where I couldn't get hold of it, and then it turned out it wasn't gonna be 1 or 2 weeks, it was gonna be like 1 or 2 months, and I didn't have enough stuff, and it was just too much of a chore to get into the storage to get things, so I ended up having to buy some bits and bobs to try and get me through. And basically, yeah, I won't go on too much. I'll insert a clip of what this room actually looked like at its worst, I think. I'll double check that the clip, it might not be its fully worst. There was a point when there was just holes in the floor. But no, I'll insert a clip so you can see what it looks like, or looked like, as it was done. Obviously you know what it looks like, or variously you've got a good idea of what it looked like before. So yeah, it looked a lot different. So I was kind of waiting. We've been home now about a month and a half, possibly, but I haven't been able to film really. It's been a whole process of, we've pretty much moved back in again, coupled with the fact that everything's just been a dusty work space. It's taken us a while, and I'll be honest, there are still boxes of things that aren't where we need them to be, but anybody who's ever moved house will know. I remember when we moved in here, I think there's possibly still 1 or 2 boxes. We moved in here 5 years ago, just gone last week, 5 years ago, and there are still a couple of boxes that aren't unpacked. So there are still boxes from this that need unpacking and like dusting and things. But I'm now ready to show you the bedroom is filmable. It's not finished. I will show you around, and then I'll maybe do you a different one. But basically, this was what I was waiting for to get the bedroom finished fully. Got a new bed. It comes from Benson's for Beds, and it is a super king size. It is beautiful. Obviously I will show you around a bit better, but we've got this beautiful, beautiful teal bed. Mattress we picked as well. The dogs love it. Jake was the first one on, firmly asleep within a couple of minutes. But yeah, we've got a bed, got some lamps. The lamps came from B&M, and they are the perfect match for the teal. Perfect. But like I say, I will show you around a little bit, and then I'll probably have to do another video when it's properly finished, because I've got little accents and bits and bobs about. Most of it's finished, obviously the main decorating and things finished, but the curtains are my old curtains, which are silver, kind of grey curtains, and which went with my old bedroom. As you can see possibly from the lampshades, they are gold, so I'm going with more gold accents. So there's still a lot to be changed to make it that. I need new curtain pulls, and I need new, like, my dressing table fixtures, the handles, they are silver also. So there's still a good few bits and bobs that need doing, but it's starting to take shape, and everything's starting to take shape. It's fab. But I just wanted to come on, kind of catch you up, apologise that I haven't been here. I'm gutted that I couldn't really come on and tell you. I didn't have the means, really. I couldn't have filmed if you'd have seen what this looked like. Ooh, something that I should have actually mentioned probably towards the beginning of the video. This is my new camera. This is the first time I am going to be uploading a video I filmed with my new camera. I haven't played about with it as much as I would have liked. Like I said, life's been a little bit stressful, but new camera. So hopefully it's good, because other news, not breaking, but it's news. Disney is still going ahead. So we will be going to Disney. It is actually less than 4 weeks as I'm filming this. As you're watching it, it might be around 3 weeks. Oh my goodness me. So Disney's happening. Excited, a little bit nervous, because obviously COVID's still a thing, but I I mean, it's a hell of an opportunity to be able to go to Disney anytime. It's my first time going, so that's exciting, really. I'll be honest, we kind of assumed almost that it was probably going to be something that happened next year now, because obviously America has literally just opened the borders, literally just, or they, I don't know how soon I'm going to be able to get this video up, but they haven't actually opened the borders yet. They're opening them on Monday. I'm hoping to get this video up maybe at the weekend. So yeah, so America's opened up, we can go to Disney. So that does mean there will be Disney vlogs in the near future. Crazy. If there's any other videos you want to see about Disney kind of on the run up, let me know. I'm thinking about doing some kind of pack with me video. Yeah, I've got a little list of ideas, but if you've got any ideas or something you'd like to see, honestly, you guys' input is so important. So yeah, that's exciting. I have got coming up then, I have got a Primark haul. Love me a Primark haul, just been. And I have got a Superdrug haul. My Look Fantastic have sent me a message to say that that's been dispatched. Haven't heard from Glossybox, but they're always late. So it'd be great to share them with you guys again, because I've been opening them on my own, and it's not the same. I still have my opinions. I will explain about those on the respective videos because they're not great. So guys, I don't know what else to say. I don't want to ramble on too much. If you've got any questions for me about anything that's been going on, anything that you want to see from me in the future, drop me a comment and let me know. That'll be fabulous. I just can't wait to be back doing all this with you guys, showing you the things I've been buying and the things I'm opening up in my boxes and things. Honestly, I have actually genuinely kind of missed doing this. Been very busy. But like I said, new look. What do you think? Tell me what you think. Okay then guys, I will leave you with that, but I will hopefully be back to uploading at my regular schedule, which was Tuesdays. It might not be Tuesdays for a while, just while I get myself caught up and back into the run of things. So Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays were my schedule that I was trying to do. I will do my utmost best. Life does kind of throw things in the way, so if I ever don't upload, please don't think that I've abandoned you. I do really enjoy coming on here. It's just unfortunate that, well, life happens, doesn't it? Things just happen. Like I said, please follow me on Instagram, because that is how I try to keep you guys up to date. Anyway guys, I will love you and I will leave you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking with me through my absence. It's good to be back. So if you've enjoyed the video, please do me a favour, hit that like button, give me a huge thumbs up. It's just a quick catch up really, to be honest. I say quick, I've probably blabbed on long enough. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, because like I said, there's Primark coming, Superdrug, Look Fantastic, various bits and bobs. Disney is coming soon. There's plenty of Disney also in that Primark haul, so yeah, stick around. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. It's so nice to talk to you again. I will see you soon.